She still has nightmares about hearing the sound of him unbuckling his belt. In this chilling memory, a sister recounts the dark horrors endured by her own. Locked away, she felt hopeless as danger loomed closer each night. The chilling whispers of the past haunt her thoughts, a relentless reminder of her sister's pain. As the terror creeps back, you can almost feel the suffocating dread in the air. It's a nightmare that never truly ends, echoing with every heartbeat.